I'm going to be using Aroma's feature here called Saute and Simmer. So I'm going to turn on the rice cooker. So I'm just going to click on Saute and Simmer here. Okay, next I'm going to add some cooking oil. You could use whatever oil you use to cook. Just going to add a little bit here. Just enough to actually saute our mushrooms. So I'm just going to shake that around a little bit. After you shake it around a little bit, you just close that back up and you let it warm up for a little bit. Okay, after you've let it heat for a couple minutes, I just open back up. You should be able to feel the heat. So now I'm going to put my mushrooms in here. And you could just kind of hear that sizzling noise here. Just gonna dump that, there we go. All right, now with a wooden spoon, I'm just gonna be stirring this around as it cooks. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of seasoning in here, probably gonna add some salt and pepper just to start. And I think actually, we could benefit from a little bit more cooking oil. Just throw a little bit more avocado oil in here. And yeah, just like that, you're going to continue to stir. And you can just hear it sizzling there. Now I'm going to close this just to trap in all the heat and let it cook for a little longer. Okay, so I've let it cook for a little bit. As you can see, there is steam coming out of the steam vent here, and I'm just gonna open this up. As you can see, it's sauteing quite nicely here.